Okay, with OxygenOS 15, we have got this new Flux theme, which is a very good option to customize your OnePlus lock screen. With Flux theme, they did introduce this new feature called Depth Effect. And I've been using OnePlus from a long time. With OxygenOS 15, I've used a lot of good wallpapers in my videos, and many users have been asking from where do I get the wallpapers which can be applied on OnePlus smartphone with the depth effect. So in this video, we'll talk about some of my favorite wallpapers, and at the end of video, I'll also tell you guys from where you can download those wallpapers. But guys, before moving ahead, we have 85% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, but they do watch our videos. So if you guys find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So currently I'm testing OnePlus Nord 4 as my primary phone, and on this device I have a lot of wallpapers which I've been using with the Flux theme and other things like depth effect. I also have some exclusive wallpapers for healing moment too. One by one we'll start with the themes, and guys, I've also seen many users saying that with classic and sleek themes we are not able to get the depth effect. So it's not like that guys, it all depends on the wallpaper you choose. And if you only have clock in that particular theme, the depth effect will not work on the entire clock, it will only work on some portion. So currently here you can see we are using the classic theme, and if I change the wallpaper, for example I'll use this wallpaper, and if you see initially, you can see the depth effect isn't working. So here what you can do is you just need to try zooming in or zooming out. As we have the time here, so the depth effect won't work on the entire time. You can see only slight portion will be covered. Even if I try to zoom in more, it won't work. Only slight portion of the font will be covered. So in this classic theme, it's very difficult to get the depth effect, and I can understand the reason because we have the clock on screen. So with the classic theme, you can try adjusting the wallpapers. Moving on to the Pulse theme, here you can see we have different text, and here you can apply a lot of wallpapers. So let me show you a few of my favorite wallpapers which I generally use with Pulse theme. So one of them is this, which consists of two fishes, and you can see how beautiful it looks. I can also zoom in and zoom out to make adjustments. And another favorite wallpaper of mine is this one, and you can see it looks so beautiful with the bird and the text behind it. Most of the wallpapers looks good with the Pulse theme. If I choose any of the wallpapers, you can see on almost every wallpaper we do have the working depth effect. For healing moment also, I've seen a lot of users complaining that depth effect doesn't work here. So let me show you an example. I do have a wallpaper on which to adjust the depth effect, it's slightly difficult. So for example, this is the wallpaper. If I select the wallpaper, you can see now depth effect is not working, and the depth effect is also not highlighted towards the bottom side. But if I try to adjust while zooming in or zooming out, or slightly moving the picture in the frame, I should have the depth effect, as you can see here. And similar way for the pets also, we have few more wallpapers. One of the example you can see here, I'll apply this, and here again the depth effect is not working. So I'll try to adjust the wallpaper, and here you can see we have depth effect in action. And this is another favorite wallpaper which I use most of the time for the healing moment theme. You can see how beautifully it looks. I can also slightly make changes in the size, and if I apply it, it looks a lot better whenever I press the power key. The transition between always on display and the lock screen is so good here. Under light and shadows, most of the wallpapers you can achieve depth effect, but it all depends that wallpaper should have a foreground and a background. So if I take example of this, you can see a nice depth effect here. And the same thing goes with the aerial view also. You can choose any of the wallpapers and you have nice depth effect. And guys, whenever you change the wallpaper, in most of the themes, text color gets changed. So for example, if I select this wallpaper, you can see the text color have been changed, which is properly highlighted, and it adapts to the wallpaper color. You can see how nicely it has been highlighted. And it's not like it's a weird color, it's a color matching with the wallpaper itself. Now here you can see all the wallpapers which I have been using on my devices. I mean with the Flux theme. So all these wallpapers have been downloaded from the applications, and nowadays most of the applications don't provide you free wallpapers. To get such good wallpapers, you need to have subscription of those applications. It's 2024 and most users know how to download wallpapers for free. Let me show you the applications which I used. So one of my favorite application is this Lumina Wall. And here guys, I would say I had paid for the premium of this application, but initially while making the payment, they did not mention anything about, you have some exclusive wallpapers. For that you need to pay different amount. I made a purchase of this application. Later on, if I had to download some other wallpapers, you can see it says unlock this wallpaper on the collection page. So I personally did not like this thing about Lumina Wall application, and this application is from a YouTuber called Sam Backman. I hope they take it as a feedback and at least let us know initially itself while making the payment. One application is this, from which I download most of the wallpapers. You can see they do have amazing collection of wallpapers, and I really appreciate it. After that, another wallpaper application is this Wally 4K. Though it also requires a premium, but you can opt for 3 days free trial and download as many wallpapers you want. Even I have done the same thing. You can see it says you are already a premium user. So guys, these are the applications and my favorite wallpapers. I'll try to provide these wallpapers in the Telegram also. And in the Telegram group itself, let us know which is your favorite wallpaper and also share your home screen after applying the wallpaper. Let's see your customizations. So as of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.